back with Eternity Warrior Fit. So today we are going to rejuvenate our nails. I don't know about you, but like, man, I went through a whole year of gel, Nexgen. I mean, she looks so pretty, right? We love it. It doesn't chip, it doesn't like crack, it can stay on for weeks, it looks beautiful all the time. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Who doesn't want those kind of nails, you know? But like all these colors and stuff, I don't use anymore, no bueno. Because guess what? When they took that stuff off my nails, I was in so much pain. My actual nails are pretty healthy. I mean, like, I think they're pretty healthy. And so when they took it off, I think I only had maybe 8 months or so. They took them off and it was like sandpaper #1, which I will show you how to remove. It's actually a fungus among us. It's gross, I know, but that's what that sandpaper is. And then it's also, they're very thin and they're very like sore to the touch even. So I'm gonna show you how to strengthen your nails, detox your nails #1, get that fungus off, and then strengthen your nails. And I have 2 solutions I was gonna show you how to make. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so the first one is the nail cleansing soak. And this is gonna help remove those bacteria and the fungus and all those things that end up growing in between your actual nail and the nail that they put on with all of those chemicals that can be really drying. How do we make it? We do coconut oil. And if you haven't melted it, you know, you might want to melt it. This is a brand new one. It's always nice to have fresh stuff. So you do a teaspoon of this guy. Okay, and then we're gonna use Melaleuca, which is basically a tea tree oil. It kills basically anything, you guys. It's an essential oil. So you're gonna take like a teaspoon, not even, maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of this, maybe 10 drops, but the lid fell off. Happens. All right, I know this sounds weird, but when my nails look like that, I freaked out and I went and researched all the good things you can do to rehab your nails, and this is what we're doing. So garlic is found naturally in a lot of like nail strengtheners ingredients. You don't see garlic as the ingredient, but they put the chemical compound in it. So go ahead and squish your garlic in there. If you don't have a garlic squisher, you must get one. They're the best. And go ahead and stir it up. So it's just like nice and nourishing mixture. It has the tea tree oil in it to kill the fungus, and the garlic is gonna harden your nails at the same time, which takes away some of that pain. So that's the first one. And then after you soak for a while in that, you want to moisturize. So if you're doing this whole like nail spa, you can do it like one after another. So leave that on for at least 10 minutes and then you can moisturize, kind of like how you do steps to your face kind of thing. So with this one's the repair and moisturizer for your nails, and lemon actually helps whiten it. And you're gonna use sugar, which is like an exfoliant, and it'll help remove some of that dead nail. And so you squeeze your lemon juice in, probably like, I would say a good half a lemon. see, and this is really good for the cuticles too. So we're just gonna put this towel down. And you know, a lot of people cut their cuticles when they get a manicure. But that's not good to do, because there was a study in Harvard, and they just recently found that the cuticles are like a barrier to the nail matrix. So when you cut them, it can cause these white ridges and things like in your nails. And people wonder, like, why do I have spots and white ridges on my nails? I get manicures all the time. But they cut your cuticles, and so that can be some of the signs. So I would just say push them back. I don't need them cut. If you're there and you want to like make that happen, and then you just kind of, you can use like a soft bristle brush if you have one of these guys, and then you just kind of rub it in, and it helps when you take off Nexgen and you take off those kinds of gel. What really happens is it does feel like sandpaper. So this is kind of scrubbing that away, and it's giving you like, you can also like rub it all over your hands, and you can do like a hand massage. Here's a recline. But you know, it's nice to be able to do, and then I'm gonna do my setup at some point. So if you need to rehab your nails, I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's going to be a whole nother video about what your nails are trying to tell you about your health. So stay tuned for that. That's really interesting. And if you like what we're doing here at Eternity Warrior with keeping you healthy for as long as you are thriving and alive and well, then definitely subscribe, tap that bell. We love you guys, and we're gonna go wash our hands.
See you guys.
Have a good one.